Hello everyone. In our tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 403 and what is the meaning of this. So, when your device can establish a connection to Roblox servers, the error code 403 appears on Roblox. A message similar to this one typically appears along with it. And problem occurred during login. Please try again. So, how are we going to fix this? It's very easy. All you have to do is to simply go to the search bar and then type run. Now you have to open this one. Once it appears, you have to type person symbol, app data, person symbol, and then click OK. Now here you have to click or look for app data. So once you tap this app data, you have to scroll down till you see a local. Key. And then you have to scroll down again and look for Roblox and delete this one. Now go back to your app data, go to local flow and delete anything that is related to Roblox. And then once you have deleted this, then you have to reinstall it again. So go to any web browser, type Roblox, select a game, tap the screen button here, download and install. And then once done, go to your download folder, right click the Roblox, and then run as administrator and see this problem fixed. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.